You will discover how buyers and sellers today are being found, not by old SEO, but by AI-led tactics, unlike what you think. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to get leads from just 2 hours ago's shift. 2 hours ago in Florida, a new pattern began quietly. AI is rewriting how real estate agents get clients. Until now, many agents have poured effort into blog posts, neighborhood guides, FAQs, all to rank on Google. But those tactics are losing power. AI answers user questions itself. People no longer click and roam websites. Imagine a buyer in Miami asking, "What houses are affordable near me?" and getting the answer right inside their AI assistant. No search results page needed. That change shifts everything. You might believe strong SEO will always work, but that belief is insecure now, because AI is taking over how people ask and how they receive answers, and agents who don't adapt will become invisible. In this video, you'll follow how one Florida agent pivoted in real time. The failures, the breakthrough, and the exact steps you can use today to capture real leads. By the end, you'll understand how to turn this AI shift into new clients instead of losing business. Let's step into a real case from Orlando. There, a realtor named Maria used to get most leads from SEO blog traffic. She wrote 20 neighborhood guides, optimized pages for search phrases, and built a Best Schools in X District series. But over the past month, her organic traffic dropped 30%. She saw fewer site visits, fewer forms submitted. She wondered, where are the buyers? She tried doubling down. More posts, longer content, more links. Nothing helped. Meanwhile, her competitor Jamal started recording 2-minute video walkthroughs of homes, posting them on TikTok and embedding them on his site. He also created a simple affordability calculator. Jamal didn't focus on broad SEO terms. He targeted one specific group, people ready to buy or sell. He added clear "Contact Now" prompts in every video and had a fast reply system. Within days, Jamal's phone rang, clients reaching out directly. His videos began ranking in AI responses, getting surfaced when someone asked, "Homes for sale near me with schooling ratings." Maria realized she was doing what people had done, SEO for traffic. But people no longer chase traffic. AI delivers answers, so she pivoted. She started recording audio snippets about schools on each street, video clips walking through neighborhoods, posting these assets on her site and on AI-friendly platforms. She gave exact metric comparisons, like this street's average home price, this high school ratings, mortgage size estimates. Then she made sure on every video, "Call me now, I'll send listings instantly." Within 2 weeks, her leads recovered and even doubled her prior SEO yield. This story shows something critical. The old SEO game is dying. AI is pulling answers from multiple sources, including video, audio, site data, and showing them directly. If your content isn't structured for AI, you'll vanish. Here's what you must do to win. 1. Target intent, not general traffic. Don't write "Best Schools in Suburb X" as your only content. Instead, build content for those ready to transact. Houses for sale in X with 2,000 square feet. Sell in X school district. 2. Use local expertise. Tell about specific streets, zones, school districts. AI can't replicate that nuance. 3. Multimedia first. Video tours, audio overviews, short clips. AI loves multimedia signals. 4. Calls to action everywhere. Make it easy for visitors to contact you. Direct, clear, fast. 5. Speed follow-up. When someone inquires, respond immediately. AI surface rankings reward timely engagement. You'll learn exactly how to do this in a moment. Think of your content like a tree. The roots are your local facts, streets, school ratings, zoning, sales history. The trunk is your multimedia, video walkthroughs, audio guides, embedded clips. The leaves are your calls to action and fast replies. Contact me now. See listings. Get your affordability estimate. If you build that fully, AI will pick content from your tree when users ask where to buy in X area or best value homes near me. Instead of people searching and you hoping they find you, AI will bring people to you. In a month, you can start seeing steady real leads.